Hello Udemy, I'm Shahzad Ahmed from Shakespeare.com. Today we are going to cover the echo and print statement because you have to familiar with echo and print before using them. We are using echo always because if you want to output something, you always use echo and print. First of all, you can use echo without parenthesis. In this I'm saying hello world, make sure this is hello. Okay, I'm saying hello world, go to your page, refresh the page, make sure whenever I say page, that means I'm talking about PHP folder which I have created inside my htdocs. Okay, so now go to your file, change the script, make sure in this time I'm using the parenthesis, and refresh the page. So now you can see I'm calling a function which is echo, and make sure this is the built-in functions, and PHP providing you a lot of built-in functions. We will cover each and everything, but you can also use the print as well. So this is you can see you are you are showing the results at the screen, so that's why you are using output. Okay, so both are the same, but echo is faster than print, first of all. Then what is the difference between print and echo? Make sure your print statement you can pass a single argument by calling the print statement. So this is your single argument. When you say second, because go to your page, refresh the page, you can say it's saying syntax error, unexpected, this because it only works when you pass a single argument. Okay, in the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics, so thank you for watching.